Good morning, everybody. Got the old Mongo Man out here in KJ's building this morning. It's about 9:30 Saturday morning, and we're going to get a electric service put in today. He'll be along shortly, and we'll get the electric panel in, and hopefully the mast and everything outside. So this is where we're at. That's where we're going to put it, we hope. Just got done running that last wire. KJ had it almost done, but I just finished it up.
Be on YouTube.
All right, so it's the next day, Sunday now, just after church. Just got back from town. Had to run in and get some chili supplies because we have a soup kitchen today over at the church. So I will be making chili for that. But meantime, I wanted to put something together because it's been an awful long time since I've gotten you guys any update on what's going on over here. So you saw there in the beginning of this that we were putting in the electric service. Well, Sean did finish that up yesterday. And now that that is done, our next step is more wiring. But that's all going to be my job. Got to do some exterior lights. Got to do, well, a bunch of stuff. All of the interior receptacles. We talked about all that stuff, but this is what it looks like. You can see on the front of the building, I drilled a bunch of holes in it. That'll be where the outside lights, just like the front of my garage, go. This is the service that we got in yesterday. It has to have one GFCI, ground fault interrupted breaker, that is wired. That is the ground rod that goes outside to the ground rods. And there we go. This thing has more breakers in it than most homes. Yes, sir. So that is what we have. Currently, there are 3 240 circuits, and then the rest are all 120s. It's a good-looking installation, and now my job is to get everything else wired up. I have got these plugs over here wired up. These are going to be switched plugs, mainly for the overhead lighting here at the benches, and for the Rural King extension cord reel. You can see there, they're plugged in there. Those go up and the wires run up there. So these two and those two behind that bench will be on a separate circuit. And those 4 will be on a circuit. Coming back over here, these 2, and well, there are no 2 there. That's crazy. Wonder why I didn't put those in. There'll be 2 more there. Those will be on a circuit. 4 of those will be on a circuit, 2, 4. And then that last one over there, all the way to the right, that will end up being a standalone for the heater, because that's where it'll go. Here's KJ's little bench. I don't know that you guys saw this. Nice little bench that we built. I have 1 more of those to go. He does have the 4-ton floor jack and a couple 6-ton of the Harbor Freight jack stands. He's got what is the beginnings of his tool wall started there. Looks pretty good. And as you can tell, he's doing all blue is his accent color. I've got to get a bunch more wiring on this side done for the lights, and then I am going to put a receptacle between each door. That way we have the ability to plug things in there and run them, run things outside. Let's take a look what that service looks like outside. So this is what it all looks like out here. Very nice installation. Gives us plenty of stick out on the top. That way the wires that come across from this pole here will not be in the way of, hopefully, a triaxle trailer or triaxle truck that comes in here to dump stone. Good looking service. There's the ground rods that come out, and then there's a ground rod over there, and then one right here. So we do have the 2 ground rods. I'm very pleased with the installation. My man always does a really nice job, and it's built to Mongo standards, as my wife would say. it'll probably outlast all of us. All right, so I know it's a nice short little video there, but I wanted to give you an update where we were, what we've got going on. We have been dealing with some things here in the family, trying to get my old man situated. He was having some problems there, but that has all been, well, I can't really say it's been taken care of, but he's doing much better now, and we can get back, you know, doing the things that we need to get done around here at the house. So you guys pay attention, because hopefully here real soon we'll get the wiring done in KJ's garage, and I'll get back in mine. Got a couple projects lined up here coming soon. You guys will really appreciate what we're going to be doing again. So, all right. Thank you for watching the channel here and keeping up with us. We will see you all real soon. Mongo Man is out.